go. Into the fields. There's Scarlet. And there's Stella leading the pack. Go get him! Yep. What a beautiful night in the neighborhood. This is the farm. And there's the shot of all shots. My son's birthday today, Morgen Daniel, turning 22. Took out a buck. And that spot there, just inside the tree line, believe it or not, from up there off of the driveway where you turn into Michelle's house, no exaggeration, that had to be at least 300 yards, longer than the football field, so I know that for a fact. Wow, the sky, the colors, like I keep saying, God is good. Doesn't get better than this, folks. If you ever get a chance to get out of the city, you want to come here and enjoy a couple days in the Poconos and see if that don't change your mind, because I just knew this was my destiny. I just never knew there was going to be dogs involved. Take that to the bank. God bless. Remember, empoweredwithpurpose.com. Right? Right, Scarlet? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Crazy dogs. Crazy dogs. Who's that, AC? AC's just trying to keep up. Here they go. They're a good bunch of dogs. I'm a blessed man.